Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be talking about how to export audio only on CapCut. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. And here, as you can see, that currently I have placed a video and I have some audio under that. So I want to be only exporting this audios instead of these videos as well. So if you want to export them combinedly, you can do the normal exporting, but in this process I will be telling you that how you can just only export your mp3 or the audio inside your edited video. So simply head over to export on the top right side of your screen, and once you are there, you can see we have this option of export audio and export video exporting. So so by default it is selected something like this. You can just see the resolution, bitrate, codec format, frame rate and stuff like that, but we are going to be unchecking video exporting and checking export audio only. So you can also select through the audio types that you want, the formats, and once you're satisfied, click on export and your mp3 audio will be exported in no time. So that's a pretty simple process. You can as well export music, stuff like that. So even if you have added some music and stuff like that into your video, you can simply use this to add into your video. And now click on export and export audio. You can even run a copyright check and click on export, which is over here, and that's a pretty simple process. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with the friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.